is he doing out there? Yo, bro, what's going on out here? What are you doing? Andrew? Dude, what's going on? Hello? What are you doing out here? Hello?
Oh, well, I'm watching the snow melt.
What? Why would you do that?
I want it gone so bad.
Isn't that kind of boring?
Oh, well, I guess so.
You know what? I got an idea that will get rid of all the snow in no time. Wait till you see this. I got the hair dryers. Let's do this. Hey, let's do this!
Yeah!
Hey, this is taking a really long time.
Let's go inside and play Wii.
Hey, okay.